Now the first step is to switch on your printer and go on the display screen. Now first press the menu, and that is the setup menu, and now you can press the setting button, that is the setup mode. So once we click on that, then we'll see Wi-Fi setup. For that, press OK. Now there is option for easy Wi-Fi connect, so press OK in that. Now it says follow the instructions on the PC or the smartphone. So the smartphone is here, so we go first for the Wi-Fi network. Now select the name of your printer, that is Canon TR4527 series printer. Click OK, and next step is to download the Canon print app from App Store. And once you download, open that app, and a message will be displayed. The following printer is available, do you want to add? So that's the name of the printer, and press yes. It will take few seconds for the next step. Now it will ask to connect with your home Wi-Fi network, so click on that. Now you have to enter the password of your home Wi-Fi network here. So once you enter the password, click OK. It says the setting information has been sent and it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. Now it's communicating. Easy Wi-Fi connection is set up, so press OK for confirm. Now we can check on the mobile as well. So you can see here it says the connection is set, and we can select images to print. We can go next. So just a current page, print range, press OK. So it will display some details, print. So you hear the printer has started to print now. So just wait for that. It might take some time, so just wait for that. So that's the way we can print, and we can set up the Wi-Fi connection. Thanks for watching.